Okay, so this time I'm seeing the effects of how uh, a tornado, uh, what a tornado will do to you. This is my base camp. Um, nice base camp. Let me see. Is this opening? Right here's the opening to my bunker. Right here's my housing place for now. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. Alright. Wake up one morning, then all of a sudden, boom, tornado disaster. You run over to your bunker, hide inside the bunker. Now, let's go see the tornado. Oh Lord. Lordy lordy. That is scary. That is just dreadful. Look at this chasm it's created. It is so unsafe to be out when a tornado is live. And another one's over this way. Definitely need to be in the bunker during the tornado. Okay. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. And it looks like nope, pigs are flying. The day when pigs fly, I will jump up and down and yell baby hooters, baby hooters. Only then will life be satisfied. When pigs fly. Baby hooters, baby hooters. Look at all those bricks.
Baby hooters, pigs are flying in the sky. Baby hooters, pigs are flying in the sky.
Da 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 da.
Da 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 da. Do dee do do do. La li la la la. No nee no no no. Na no nee no no no. Na nee na na na. No nee no no na 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 na. Na. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look up. Now I'm in Minecraft.
This is not good, guys. Very, very not good. Well, the tornado killed my house. Says. Good thing I didn't really work on them, because they're building their own little long stick things. Turn and run now. If you go to a point, this will stop. Oh, look, it's getting faster. Ah, this is why tornadoes are dangerous. Oh, what's that?
lights again. The end of the world? Hey, I'm just gonna kill you.
Chasing the tornado. I'm like practically in the tornado right now, and I'm not getting deaded. I don't know what's going on right now. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like tornadoes.